Whether you're a seasoned athlete, recovering from surgery, or just looking to walk up and down the stairs without pain, Dry Creek Physical Therapy provides evaluation, treatment, and rehabilitation of all kinds of acute and chronic injuries.
I love to discuss with the patient and talk kind of where they're at and kind of where they'd like to be and really fit my treatment based upon where they want to go.
I want to make a difference every time I see that patient.
I like to teach and empower people to take care of themselves and to take care of their own recovery.
They were so knowledgeable in explaining the different muscle groups and why it was important to do something a certain way. It helped me understand, how to exercise it the right way or rest it the right way, so that I was really getting rid of pain and building strength to feel better again and to be more functional.
Our highly skilled physical therapists know that every injury is different, just as every patient is unique.
Dry Creek Physical Therapy, we try to establish a place where therapists could provide the care what's needed for their patients. And so we've established it so that it can be one-on-one patient care, meaning when a patient comes in, they're going to see the same therapist. They're going to get the treatment that's best for them. That therapist is going to know them, get to know them well, know what their goals are, and work their best to do what's best for them.
I love to be able to individualize to the person, and that makes treatment so much more meaningful and effective.
I think it's one-on-one. I think that's what makes it different from all the other different physical therapy places I have been to personally, is I feel like the program is for me.
We provide a comprehensive analytical approach to rehabilitation, looking at the biomechanics of each person, not only to a specific diagnosis, but also to a patient's body type and mechanism of injury.
You get to problem solve with them. You get to find out what exactly is their needs and work on that, and you see them progress.
I knew that when he was coming in, he was meeting with the same therapist, and he was meeting with a therapist. And I feel like she knows him. She knows that he loves football, he loves his sports, and she wants to get him back as quick as possible to do what he loves to do.
When a patient says, I've tried everything and nothing's worked, I love being able to sit down with them, listen to their concerns, and then make a plan together to get them to places they've never been before.
We offer the full spectrum of care, evaluating all types of neuromusculoskeletal injuries and developing a customized treatment plan for each patient.
She knew exactly what he needed, and she would change it according to how he was healing.
We work with all sorts of patients from, 8 years old clear up to 88 years old. Working with a small little gymnast working on getting back to doing cartwheels and back handsprings, or working with the elderly in total knee or shoulder, lifting up their grandchildren.
At our clinic, you'll work with a dedicated therapist every time you visit for a personalized experience that helps you to a quicker recovery. Our therapists use their background in multiple levels of biomechanics and clinical experience to thoroughly analyze each injured individual and use a process-driven approach to help you return to your desired quality of life.
The therapist that I got to engage with, as well as the front desk staff, everybody was super warm and welcoming and professional.
I recuperated real fast by having them show me what to do.
Our therapists at Dry Creek Physical Therapy are passionate about bringing health and well-being to their patients.
I want to make a difference every time I see that patient. When that patient comes in, I want to do something that very day that's going to make them walk out of the door feeling better than when they came in.
They have sought to distinguish themselves by specializing in different areas of therapy. As a patient at Dry Creek Physical Therapy, you gain the benefit of our collective knowledge and our dedication to collaborative care. We have experts in virtually every area of rehab, in addition to multiple board-certified orthopedic clinical specialists on staff.
I love being with Dry Creek because I love being part of a team of doctors, surgeons, trainers, all with the greater good of the patient.
From your very first appointment and throughout the intensive rehabilitation process with your physical therapist, our focus remains on individualized care for every patient.
I feel like the patient is the most important thing to them. I really feel that way.
It's all part of our game plan. Get every patient back to their highest level of performance so they can live life better. For more information about Dry Creek Physical Therapy, please visit our website, drycreekpt.com.